Hey everyone, it's Sharon with Cozy Junk Studio. Let's pull out all of our glassware. If you don't have any, pick it up at thrift stores. Dollar Tree has it. We're going to put some tops and bottoms of jars and glasses and bowls together to make some gorgeous snowmans. What I'm going to do first is paint all of my faces. I'm not doing any bodies, just faces. And I'm painting my bases for the faces. I'm using chalk paint. You might want to use 2 coats. I use 2 coats. You can paint the inside too. That helps it be more gives it more coverage. But I'm just going to go ahead and give it 2 coats on all my bottoms. And I'm going to paint my tops with black chalk paint, doing 2 coats as well. Once I let these dry good, I'm going to go ahead and use some E6000. It's the best for glass on glass. I am going to use a little hot glue for an instant hold, but the E6000 does a great job. I actually knocked a couple of these over after I got done letting them dry, and there was no problem whatsoever. I made a total of 5 of these, but I didn't do them all on camera. I had this inspiration and I really wanted to just do something pretty simple and that didn't have a lot of processes, just a light, fun, just get out some energy and make a craft. You know, not everything has to be art or a huge project, just something fun. So I thought these would be great to set out all winter long. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just freehanding the eyes and the nose and the mouth on here and the cheeks, but you guys can use stencils or buttons or little pieces of wood. You don't have to paint. I'm just using some plain old orange paint. I'm not, I normally like the darker noses, but I thought, you know what, this is just a quick craft, just something fun to do, and I'm just going to use traditional orange paint, paint him a little nose, and I do some pink cheeks and some little coal shaped for the mouth. I don't even do dots. I do just kind of off-shaped squares. Put a few little white dots here and there. And we're going to decorate his little hat. I just love this little jar. I think this is a yogurt jar. And it just makes the cutest hat. It actually looks like a, kind of like one of the little soldiers, the nutcrackers. It looks like one of those. He's almost like a little nutcracker snowman. The thrift stores are just full of this glassware, you all. I mean, that little base thing was like $1. And of course, if you already have glassware, just sit down and play with it and put it on pieces on the bottom and pieces on the top and see what fits together and what looks like a cute hat. That's what I did. I had so much fun putting these together and seeing these little snowmen come to life. Even though this video isn't very long, I did leave most of the painting in real time, so anyone that wants to follow along could watch it in real time instead of it being sped up. But of course, if I do speed something up, you guys know that you can go to the bottom right hand corner of the videos, and under settings you can change the speed of how you want to watch a video. To finish this little guy, I wanted to use some Dollar Tree ribbon in this buffalo check. This stuff is really cute ribbon, and of course it comes from Dollar Tree, so it's not very expensive. I just hot glued it on. The glue stuck very well to the paint. Oh, and I did seal both of the paints, the black and the white, because it was chalk paint, so I went ahead and put a clear coat on this. You don't have to, because these, aren't going to be in the weather, not going to be held, so that's up to you. I put a matte sealer on mine, So I added that ribbon, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of greenery and a button. I really enjoy making little things like this that doesn't take a lot of processes and thought, just something fun to make and a feel good craft that for me just relieves stress and brings me joy. You guys will have to let me know if this is something that you might make. I could see a whole shelf full of these. How cool would that be for winter? This next one is such a fun shape. It's like a parfait glass, and I went ahead, like I said, and already painted it, and now I'm just showing you that I glued it together. And I wanted to show you this because I tilt the hat on this one and use a teacup, and I kind of wanted to show you. I tilted it a little bit to the side, I think, or kind of back off of its forehead. That's what I did. And we're just going to paint it the same way. No, I tilted to the side. Sorry, I was waiting on it to show up on camera. And we're just going to paint it the same way. Let me know if you enjoy me leaving the process of painting in real time when I do short videos like this. For this one, I put the bow or the ribbon at the bottom and make a bow because I thought that it would be really cute, like it was around his neck or her neck. And then on the top, I used some of my white picks from Dollar Tree and just a baby blue button. I really think this one turns out so cute. And you'll see in the photos coming up, I made several different ones with different sizes. So it was like all different sizes of snowmen and women. I know I'm always asking you guys questions, and I appreciate your feedback so much. But would you like more quick, crafty type videos to go along with our thrift flips and our higher end videos? Now let's take this time to thank all of my subscribers and all of the people who take the time out to comment on these videos. You guys are appreciated very much. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up when you watch my videos. It really does help my channel so I can bring you more videos. I want to wish everyone a happy new year. It's one more day until the new year. Enjoy time with your family and friends. Stay safe out there. If you have stayed till the end of this video, leave me a comment, type snowman, or leave me a snowman emoji. And I will see you in the next video.